In this video, we're going to show you how to install the outer tie rod end on your Dodge Charger, located behind your front wheels. Using a 22mm socket, let's loosen and remove our lug nuts. Remove the wheel and set it aside. Now on our outer tie rod here, we want to go ahead and break the jam nut loose. We did go ahead and soak down the jam nut as well as the ball joint nut here with some rust penetrant before starting the job. Let's loosen our jam nut here. I'm going to use a pair of large pliers. With this jam nut separated and backed off of our outer tie rod, let's go ahead and use our 21mm socket and loosen our ball joint nut. Now that we have our nut loose, I'm actually going to go ahead and thread this back down. We're going to use it as a capture nut. I'm just going to get it caught a few threads. Now we're going to go ahead and use our hammer, and we're going to strike the knuckle right here, and that'll release the ball joint from the knuckle. Now we're going to unthread our outer tie rod from the inner tie rod, and we want to count the amount of revolutions it takes to remove this. So when we install the part again, we can go ahead and set that to our preliminary alignment. So let's go ahead and start that. Roughly 20 revolutions. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a crayon, and on the backing plate, I am just going to write 20. That way there, that'll remind me so I don't screw that up later on. Install the jam nut. I'm going to take your outer tie rod end, and we want to thread this on. The 20 revolutions that it took for us to remove the first one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, I'm just going to run that jam nut down just to hold it in place. Let's go ahead and install this. I'm going to have to bump this up. Using a 21mm socket, let's go ahead and snug down our tie rod end nut. Now at this point here, we're going to torque down our tie rod end nut to 30 foot-pounds. Now it's going to be an additional 90 degrees, which is a quarter turn. Once we have the nut torqued here, we want to now go ahead and tighten down our jam nut. So I'm going to go ahead and grab our pliers for that. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Once that's good and snug, I like to go ahead and level out our tie rod here. I'm going to use the pliers, grab this, and just kind of level this out like so. Now, if you need to, you can go ahead and repeat this process for the passenger side. Go ahead and grab your wheel, line that up, set it into place. We want to go ahead and get all of our lug nuts started by hand, and then we'll snug them down. Go ahead and torque your lug nuts down to 130 foot-pounds. I'm going to do this in a crisscross pattern. And don't forget, you want to go ahead and bring the vehicle down and get an alignment performed on the vehicle. At that point there, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.